If you're one of the many people who clench your jaw when you're stressed or grind your teeth at night, chewing gum might not be as harmless as it seems. Bruxism is a medical term for jaw clenching and teeth grinding. It can happen during the day without you even noticing, or at night when you're asleep. It's often driven by stress, anxiety, or poor bite alignment. And what's worse, you may not know you're doing it until the symptoms show up. Jaw pain, headaches, tooth sensitivity, worn enamel, these are all signs your jaw muscles are overworking, and chewing gum mimics the exact same muscle movements involved in bruxism. When you chew, you're keeping those muscles active, when what they really need is a break. For someone with bruxism, chewing gum can be like adding fuel to the fire. It reinforces the clenching pattern, keeping the jaw in a state of tension even when you're not stressed. Over time, that constant engagement can increase inflammation, worsen fatigue, and make it even harder to relax your jaw.